three. 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, Ken Williams here from the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. I'm a co-investigator on the SAIL mobile arm campaign. Again, SAIL stands for the Surface Atmosphere Integrated Field Laboratory. So I'm standing here on a hill slope overlooking the core AMF2 deployment. Behind me is the town site of Gothic. It actually hosts the Rocky Mountain Biological Lab. They're a key partner in all of our work going on here. So what I want to do now is give you an opportunity to take a quick look at the setup as it stands today. You can see the line of cargo containers, the crane that's putting them all into place. You can see two of the key Los Alamos staff associated with the ARM program. It's David Chu on the left, John Bilberry on the right. We're going to take a quick spin up to the top of this platform on the cargo container and have them describe very briefly what we're looking at here. Safety first as I climb this ladder. Nice vantage point up here. Again, looking up valley toward the town site of Gothic, or you can just barely make out the tip of the Crested Butte Mountain Resort. That's again will be the site of hosting the X-band weather radar and the aerosol observation system. Again, David and John, why don't you introduce us to what I'm looking at here right now?
John, why don't you take it away?
Yeah, this is a Doppler LiDAR, scanning Doppler LiDAR. And so it'll be looking at the wind up in the sky, basically.
So David, what's been the most exciting part of the setup so far?
I think the most exciting part of the setup is just seeing all the containers set in place and having it go from an empty spot to a kind of like this teeming with activity site.
That's fantastic. Yeah, it's really exciting to see this coming into fruition. We'll keep you updated as progress continues to be made. Thanks, everyone.